Hey guys, we're back. Back in 2022, I came across a case for my iPhone 14 Pro that was like nothing else out there. It really let me feel my phone and made me not want to go back to a traditional case. Fast forward to 2026, we have a phone that's like nothing else out there, and I feel like this case was made just for it. So this is the Arc Pulse for the iPhone Air. When I've reviewed the art cases previously, I've described them more as being like jewelry or art. And now the iPhone Air is said to be more like jewelry rather than a phone. So I couldn't wait to try these out together. Some might be skeptical of the actual protection. And before I ordered one, I was too. But don't be. This thing has dual layers of protection. First, a TPE shock absorbing inlay that also helps for a slide on pressure fit. There's no adhesives. The second layer is an airspace grade aluminum that offers 10 feet of drop protection, and it also protects it at every angle. It's raised around the front just enough to keep the screen off of a surface. Same with the camera housing. Plus, there's no rocking on a flat surface anymore either. So I bought the iPhone Air because it was so different. I love the look and feel of it, and I'm sure that's why you bought it too. Now the art case plays right into that as well, allowing you to keep the feel and the thinness and still be able to see the polished titanium siding. Now we have some different color options, and you can keep that same polished look with this silver colorway or a matte black finish that I think would have an awesome contrast with the polished space black iPhone Air. But I think Arc really actually missed the mark when it comes to the color offerings. For the Pro phones, they also offer polished finishes in gold, graphite, rose bronze, and titanium onyx black. A polished gold on a gold iPhone Air would look stunning. So I do believe an Air buyer would be more inclined to buy those more expensive premium colors than a Pro buyer. So Arc, give the people what they want. They also just came out with different color inlays, an orange or a blue for the Pro models only. Now, I personally wouldn't get either of these for the Air, but imagine a space black Air with a matte black art case and a red inlay. That would just go so hard. On another side note, I've also shown off the matching case that they make for the AirPod Pros, and this is such a dope combo. Now, does this case Magsafe? Yes, absolutely. But not with everything. So let me explain. Obviously, you have the open back that's perfect for chargers, stands, mounts, SSDs, cooling fans, etc. And it just barely fits the Apple Wallet, which was a huge concern of mine because it doesn't with the smaller size phones, because there's not enough space from the bottom portion of the case for it to line up. This holds true with the larger phone too when it comes to battery banks. It can still stick on there, but there's a small gap, so if you throw this in a bag or your pocket, it can get knocked off. This U-green bank, however, it's thick and it's sturdy enough to stand on its side, but that Apple battery for the Air probably isn't going to be your best option. Now to the price. $69.99 for the matte black or $89.99 for the polished silver. Do I love the price? No. But I do feel like it's justified because of the design and how different it is. I would much rather have this over some bulky plastic case that just slaps a military grade drop protection stamp on the box. I just wish they offered some more colors like they do on the Pro phones. Now, I've gotten a lot of comments over the years about its durability. Questions about, does the case scratch easily? Or have you ever broken your screen? No and no. I've actually never had any issues with the Arc Pulse case, and that's why I keep going back to it. You can see from this silver version for the 14 Pro, there's very minor scratches. The matte black for the 15 Pro Max took the most damage, and this one does show some wear and tear on it. But the gold for the 16 Pro Max, again, very little micro scratches. They have an anti-scratch coating that I think really does help on the polished versions, but not as much on the matte. But I did drop this 15 Pro Max quite a bit. And also, if you're thinking about picking one of these up, please use my link in the description below It really does go a long way and helps the channel out. And also, if you're not subscribed already, what are you doing? Hit the button below. Don't forget to like and hype the video if you can. And let me know your thoughts below in the comments what you think about the ART case. Have you tried one? Do you still think it's, not going to give you enough protection? Let me know your thoughts. And until the next time, it's Sean with Buck Life. Peace.